रालय कुडतरे घरार फायरिंग करपाच्या प्रकरणात धरिल्ल्या नितीन वेर्णेकाराक 3 दीस पुलीस कस्टडी दिल्या. खून करपाचो यत्न केलो म्हूण आरोप. पुलीस नितीना बरोबरच्या दोगांक सोदतात. इतले मजगती काँग्रेस पार्टीन गोंयांत वाडपी गन कल्चरावेल्यान कायदो सुवेवस्थेचेर फोग काडलो.
In Goa, we have seen illegal things are happening. Illegal trading is happening. Illegal gun trading, drugs, bullfights, madka. Okay, which no one is concerned about, and no one is doing anything, especially the Home Minister. Now, the Home Minister and police are well aware that an incident has happened. There's a video recording. However, they are pretending, just pretending not to take up the issue and not doing anything about it. No one has said anything about it. However, we have few questions over here to the Home Minister. What is the Home Minister doing about the continuous events of gunfiring happening in Goa right from May? Is the Home Minister aware of the arms which are illegally trading in Goa? There's illegal trading of weapons happening in Goa. How did the gun come? Does this person have a license?
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस.